top of the morning, me laddies. Today we'll be playing Happy Wheels, and it is Hypnostatic Jack. Let's get right on into it. This is the second video of this, and why isn't it loading? Load. Shit, it's not loading. Okay, freaking hell. Guess I'll just be playing this one. Come on. Freaking hell, this has not happened to me before. Okay. Reload it. Shit. Okay, so I don't reckon. Okay. Can I skip this? No. Great. What, you can load that, but you can't freaking load freaking Happy Wheels. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. Great. Shit. This is probably going to be the worst video ever. Okay, well, that's loading. Please do like this video if you think it's funny. And please do subscribe. Okay, freaking reload. I want internet, not my mummy. I want internet. This is a pretty shit video. I think I might just end that there. So, if you liked it, please do like it. Just subscribe, because at the moment I've got like no subscribers. Oh shit. Yeah. So that's all I've got. Yeah. Anyway, my name's Hypnostatic Jack, and